I can't stand the cravings. I must have chocolate. White chocolate, dark chocolate, unsweetened, and half a cup of vanilla in a double boiler. It begins. Here's a trick. I'm going to try making icing sugar. I take cane sugar, put it in the coffee grinder attachment, like this. So, there's your icing sugar. We're going to put that in the chocolate to sweeten it and make hard chocolate. Then I'm going to add raisins and pour it out as bars. Maybe almonds too. I've decided I want a white chocolate layer on my treat. So, we're a cacao bar. There we go. I want the layer to be thick enough. There, thick a lot. Yeah. It needs a little vanilla. After it's melted, I'm going to use honey to sweeten. There we go. A little bit of vanilla. And a reminder of how the double boiler works. Heat, water, oven-proof bowl, lid. You don't need to buy a special double boiler. You can. The oven-proof mixing bowl will do. And you don't need a glass pot. Any pot will do. You'll know it's boiling the same way you always do. You'll hear it.
I'm melting, melting. Oh, I'm becoming puddled water. No, help me, I'm melting.
So let's add some honey to sweeten that. Just let it pour out. So it looks about right. I only want about a 10% ratio of honey because the cocoa butter doesn't have any of that bitter notes, so it's already technically sweet, kind of neutral in flavor. Also, while I was digging out the honey, I discovered a jar of sesame seeds, and upon closer inspection, they're not stale. So I thought, well, they have the right flavor to go with the white chocolate, and by putting in about a third of it as the sesame seeds, I will get a lot more material, a much thicker volume of material on top. Plus, sesame seeds are good food. Ooh, and they mix beautifully with this stuff. Look at that. Let's just keep going, shall we? Yeah, that's about as many as I can. There, they're saturated and still pouring. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Those will work really nice on top of the chocolate. The chocolate's gone from shiny to waxy, so it's ready. I'm just rocking it in the pan so that the liquid will level out. And then you want it on a fairly level. In fact, if your fridge is not level, put something underneath the low end like I'm doing on the cupboard here. So, like I said, it's gone from liquid to waxy. Wax paper means that this is clean and you can put it back in the cupboard. Most of the time. Sometimes stuff leaks. Peel off the wax paper like the back of a decal. Taste the crumbs because you can. Let's flip this over. Slicey, slicey. Oh my. And the other way. Wow. And the bird is going to bed. It's late. And he goes to bed every night at 9 o'clock. And wakes up every morning at 9 a.m. And that gives him his 12 hours of sleep that parrots need. Oh dear. There we go. Look at that. See that? It's got dried fruit and nuts. White and dark. Passes the taste test. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, there's one that's being sacrificed to a cook. No.